All right, this one is about fields. I already mentioned several times that Salesforce is about lists, related lists, and fields, related details. There are the fields. First of all, before creating a field, check out if this field maybe already exists so you can use it. If you go up here to not edit page, this is the layout, edit object. That goes deeper into the data structure in the object manager. By the way, if you want to open up the object manager, you can also select home, quick find, and object manager, and then select the correct object, which would be account in this case, and then fields and relationships. So check out those fields. Maybe there is already a field created that you can add to the layout. So here, account layout, and page layout, and for example, we can add ticker symbol here and go to save. One thing with existing fields is you can always double check if this field is visible to the current user. So it might be there, but it still might not be accessible. So we go to fields and relationships, we go to the field, and then we set field level security, where we just double check that this is visible. And right now we see this isn't visible to the system administrator and standard user, so we make it visible for them. Otherwise it won't show up. Even though we added it to the page layout, it won't show up in Salesforce. So something to keep in mind if you add existing fields, or yeah, if you want to make adjustments to fields on the field level security level. You can do this obviously for other fields as well. Check out the field security and add the visibility here. Anyhow, let's see if the field we added is visible now. So we go to Salesforce and reload the page. Then we go obviously to details, and we see ticker symbol right here. For Salesforce, this is CRM. And we have added this new field. But what if we want to add completely new fields? We can again go to edit object. This puts us already in the right place in the object manager on the account object, fields and relationships, and then we go to new. So for example, we want to create a pick list of predefined values. Let's say we say yeah, classification, and we enter the values A account, B account, and C account. Yeah, for example, these predefined values, and we add them line by line into this enter values, with each value separated by a new line. So we can create this field, we click next, these are visible to all the profiles, and it will be added to the account layout. So we don't have to add it manually, it will be added for us to the account layout, and we click save. We might want to add another field, for example a date field. Let's say new, and date, and we go to next, and founding date, and we go to next, and it's visible for all profiles, and it should also be added to the account. So we go to save, and then change back to our to the tab where not the setup is open but the regular Salesforce, instance, and we reload the page, go to details, and we see we have classification, where we can not yet select the classification, so it might take some time until these are available. So before we go any further, it's always, when you add new fields, it's always a good idea to log out and in again. And here we go. Let's go to details, add the founding date of Salesforce, which is 1999. I think it was in March. Let's say 1st of March. And let's click save. And the classification right now, let's say it's an A account. And this is how you add new fields to your Salesforce instance. One more thing, let's add one of these fields to the compact layout up here as well. So we go to setup, to the object manager, account, compact layout, and we choose the compact layout that's primary here. Edit, and we can just add one of these fields that we created or added, let's say ticker symbol or founding date. Alright, then let's save the account, go back to Salesforce, reload the page, and see the changes are there. And this is how you add fields to Salesforce. I hope you enjoyed the video.